Hi, this is Clinton here from Facebook. I'm just sending you a quick video. I think it's always better to show a video rather than send a bunch of text. So I wanted to show you a few things that you can do yourself to help improve your website and its ranking. But before I do that, I just wanted to bring to your attention something which is rather concerning, at least from your perspective, something you should be concerned about. The website looks great just on the first hand. You've got plenty of content on the site. I can see you put a lot of effort into the design. It's easy for people to contact you via clicking to call you or clicking to get a quote, which is all great. You've got an active blog where you posted a lot of content as well, which is a great opportunity, albeit you've not posted for a few months, but still you've got a lot of sort of valuable content on there. The biggest issue I'm having with your site at the moment is if I pop over to Ahrefs, this is one of the market leaders with regards to analyzing a website from an SEO's perspective, from the search engine's perspective. Now, you've got a good UR and DR, so domain rating is good. That's sort of how authoritative your site is, and that's good. But I've noticed since about September last year, you've pretty much had no traffic to the site at all. I can see in March last year you had around 500 people a month on a monthly basis visiting your site, and then something's happened in around April, May time, which has caused a big drop to almost half your traffic, and then since then it's just been declining till around September time, where then you've completely flatlined. So this is a massive concern. Obviously, if you do have someone looking after SEO for you, I don't know what they're doing, but it's rather alarming, because also then to bring to your attention the organic keywords that Google recognizes your site for. If I go here and just look at the organic keywords, what does Google acknowledge your site for when typed into Google? And unfortunately, at the moment, nothing. Keywords in the UK, there's one keyword that you acknowledge for here in Japan, which I can just show you here is that. So you must have that text somewhere on the page, potentially, but otherwise there's no other countries in the world where your site is getting acknowledged for traffic, and that can generally be seen here through the organic traffic that you're receiving, which is none, and that's represented here. If I filter by 1 year, I can go to organic search, filter by 1 year, and you can see that there's your traffic sort of decreasing. That shows that you've got no organic traffic, you're not indexed for any keywords organically, and for paid search it doesn't show that you've had any ads or done any paid advertising. So there is something severely wrong with your website at the moment, because you do have a good looking website and you have a website with plenty of content on it, but something's happened since this time here where you've started to have a massive decline. So it's difficult for me at this stage to say what you can do to improve your site, because there's a clear fundamental issue with why your site's not being picked up and indexed. So normally I would suggest some things that you can do with regards to improving your page title optimizations, improving your meta descriptions and stuff in and around that, maybe some technical aspects that could be fixed on the site. But all of that's irrelevant at this stage, because fundamentally at this stage right now you have an issue with your site not being found at all by Google. So that's the news I can deliver to you at the moment. I know it's not good news. If you have a current SEO provider, please speak to them, see what they've done, see what changes they've made. Otherwise, if you don't, I'd be happy to jump onto a call. What I would need is to have a look at your site. I need to get into the back end to understand what's happening with your site there, because this is not an issue that I can just see from some tools that just allow me to analyze any website. I need to see what's going wrong on the back end of your site if you would like to fix this issue. So sorry that's not great news. I will keep this video quite short, but I'm happy to answer any questions, and if you want to send over any screenshots or let me know any more information in more detail so I can put some more context around this idea, then I'll happily help you where I can, because I believe you have an important issue that needs to be solved here. But listen, I'm looking forward to hearing from you if you do want to speak to me again, and I'll also send you my contact details as well in the same Facebook chat, so we can hopefully resume this conversation a little bit later this week. I'm available for most of Friday and Thursday. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.